guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you glitching AI Shopify dropshipping tutorial. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. In this case, you might be wondering how do you start using the platform for glitching AI, which is a dropshipping platform. So in this case, we first need to discuss what is glitching AI here. So glitching AI is again a dropshipping platform, but it actually utilizes AI as a means of assisting you on establishing your dropshipping journey. Which in this case, the platform itself is actually a paid platform, so you need to pay around $29 to $99 depending on the current plan right now. But in this case, once you've created your account and you've logged in, this is the first thing that you'll see. So there's going to be different sections that you can see here. First is going to be the AI product finder. So through the AI product finder here, you have the capabilities of searching products in Amazon or in AliExpress that you could basically drop ship. Now, in this case, you could go ahead and click on the find product section and also choose one of the pre-existing products that they actually offer you. So in this case, you could either choose either of them. But once you click or select one of the products that is available from their menu or in their search engine, you should be able to see or basically view their details regarding it. So first is going to be the following, which is sales, cost, and profit. So in this case, the sale price is going to be the price that you'll be selling this specific product here. And the cost is going to be the cost of actually buying the product for you to actually distribute. Now, the profit here would actually indicate how much you'll be profiting for that specific product when someone actually buys from that product. Now, if you want to view the specific product page from different sources like Amazon or AliExpress or Shopify, you go and click on the appropriate links just below the sale, cost, and profit section. Now, you also have the wow factor, saturation, profit margin, and product market fit. So these are an analysis from the AI that is existing in glitching AI right now. So wow factor indicates how a product would likely be amazed or how it would actually impress. So an impression of this product to customers out there. Saturation, it indicates how many people are actually using this product or selling this specific product on the market. Profit margin indicates how much you'll be gaining or you'll be profiting from this product here. Product market fit also is a great detail that you might need to learn. Now, on the next page, once you actually scroll down a bit here, you'll have the create product page option, create ad copy, and scripts option as well. So in this case, through the use of glitching AI here, you have the capabilities of creating your own product page via the products that you'll be selecting. Now, if you also want to create ads, you choose the create ad copy and scripts if you want to, which in this case will give you scripts and some copy that you could use for creating your own ads. Now, you also have the ad creatives here if you want to, if you want to get some examples of how people are actually marketing this specific product. Now, once you scroll down a bit here, you have the target audience, marketing angles. So in this case, it will actually help you identifying how or what is the strategy when advertising for this product and what are your target audiences as well. Now, once you click on the generate product page option that you see on the previous screen, you have the following information. So that includes the title or the description as well and some tags on it. Now, if you want to regenerate it, you could go and click on generate. But if you want to import this to your product page or Shopify, you could go ahead and click on import product page as well. Obviously, there's going to be a lot of things that you could view within the glitching AI Shopify dropshipping platform. So in this case, you also have Academy here, which is a great section, which in this case, if you want to learn more regarding the platform and what you can do and what are the things that you could leverage within the platform itself. So yeah, so those are the basics that you need to know for glitching AI, and that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.